Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Notification Builder. This powerful feature allows you to create custom notifications that alert your team members through desktop or mobile channels whenever important events happen in your Salesforce org. Let's walk through setting this up, step by step. First, you'll need to access the Salesforce Setup menu. Click the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen and select Setup from the drop-down menu. This brings you to the administration area where you can configure all your Salesforce settings. Once you're in Setup, locate the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Type in Notification Builder, and from the results that appear, select Custom Notifications. This is where you'll create and manage all your custom notification types. Now you're ready to create your first custom notification. Click the New button, and when prompted, select Salesforce Desktop or Mobile as your notification type. This determines which platforms will be able to receive these alerts. Next, you'll need to name your notification. Enter a custom notification name that clearly describes its purpose. Something like Task Alert works well. Below that, you'll see an API name field that auto-fills based on what you entered. This technical name is used by Salesforce to identify your notification in the system. Now comes an important decision about delivery channels. You'll see checkboxes for desktop and mobile. If you check desktop, your users will receive notifications in their desktop tray when they're working on a computer. If you check mobile, they'll get push notifications and in-app alerts on their mobile devices. You can select both if you want comprehensive coverage across all platforms. Once you've made your selections, click Save to create the notification type. But we're not quite done yet. The notification exists now, but we need to specify which apps can deliver it. Go back to the Setup Quick Find box and type in Notification Builder again. This time, select Notification Delivery Settings from the options. In the Notification Delivery Settings screen, find the notification type you just created in the list. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and select Edit. Here you'll see a list of supported applications. Make sure to check Salesforce Mobile App, and if there are any other supported apps your organization uses, you can enable those as well. Click Save to confirm these delivery settings. And that's it. Your custom notification is now fully configured and ready to be used. You can now add this notification to your flows, allowing you to automatically alert users when specific conditions are met, like when a new lead is created or when a task is assigned. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.